Hello, I've been looking forward to this arriving. It's a Baseus fast charger and phone holder with one-handed operation for the car. So I'm going to unbox it now to show you, and then I'll follow that up with a short review of using it in the car and see whether I can recommend it. Very pleased with the service I've received. I ordered this a measly 8 days ago from China. The brand is Baseus and I purchased it directly from their own shop. Well, that's it. That's nicely presented, well packaged in a retail box. Now this is the business end. The phone holder is automatic. There's a sensor here. When it's connected to the power, it opens up, and then when you place the phone on the base, it closes and clamps the phone. Inside there's a charging coil for wireless phones. I ordered a longer lead. I ordered a full 2 meter lead. It is worth having a good quality lead. It's got a nice soft sticky gel pad. It's got a detent mechanism to hold that steady, and a sliding mechanism here to adjust the reach. It simply clips over the ball joint, tighten up the ball joint, holds quite steady, very smooth. So my first impressions are packed well, nice retail box, good quality parts, decent thickness of plastic moulding there, feels weighty and robust. The lead I bought is also a Baseus lead. It's got a very nice positive plug-in, so that feels like good quality as well. So I say, let's go and fit this in the car and see how we get on. I prefer to have my phone positioned in landscape, particularly for when I use Google Maps. So I've been able to position the phone holder just hanging over the edge of the fascia in such a way that actually it doesn't interfere with my vision at all. The fascia actually is a grained fascia, grained hard plastic, well, hard PVC, but underneath the protective layer on the sucker, it's actually a very soft, sticky silicone type of rubber sucker. So it forms to the surface and sticks down very well. Perfectly positioned for me to see. When I turn the ignition on, it opens its arms automatically. Simply slot the phone into position, and of course it starts charging straight away. And then when I've finished my journey, just before I turn the ignition off, I touch the open button, take it off, touch the phone presence sensor to close the arms, and turn the ignition back off. Works great for me. I'm happy with that. There are some issues, of course, with battery life with continually fast charging, and I'm going to do a separate video on that. The silicone sucker on the base, it's stuck down to this grained fascia extremely well. I know normal plain rubber suckers won't stick to this kind of surface at all, and that gives plenty of mounting options, because obviously you can mount this anywhere on the fascia then, or even down the side of the console, so that your phone ends up here. Overall, I give it 4 stars out of 5. Why am I dropping a star? There are a few minor improvements that I think I would suggest as a design engineer. I think the arms are a little too quick. It grabs the phone quite quickly before you've had a proper chance to position it into place. And my only other gripe was the packaging. The box it came in is an excellent quality retail box, but once you take it out of the box, it's got clear plastic packaging, and the units were inside plastic bags. But I would say, why can't they use moulded cardboard, rather like they use for egg boxes, and also perhaps wrap the items in paper. 4 out of 5. It's an excellent unit. I'm very pleased with it. It positions the phone perfectly. In fact, we're so pleased with it that we're going to buy another one for the Citroen that you see in other videos. I'll put links to this item and the lead USB converter, the vent mounted version. I hope you found this review helpful. Maybe it gave you some ideas for what you might want to do in your car. Give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments if you've got something to say about either this item or something else that you found is very good. And I'll see you all on the other side of that screen soon.